Hello, this is Mr. Gilligan. We are on location at a beautiful pond ecosystem in Ridgewood, New Jersey, part of the Saddlebrook County Park. It is a beautiful June night and we are winding down the school year, and I am out here doing some observations, some field experiences, and looking at all the different wildlife. Let me tell you some interesting facts about this ecosystem and pond. Some ponds are seasonal and only fill at certain times of the year when it rains. This pond is filled year round. Snails. Snails keep ponds clean by eating algae that grows on plants and the rocks on the water. So they kind of do the vacuuming of the pond. They keep it very clean. They sweep up. For centuries, ponds were an essential part of lives, and nearly every village and farm in Europe and the United States had a pond. Pond was a water system before reservoirs. They needed to feed for the animals. The animals could drink the water, humans could drink the water, and they could water the crops and plants. So every village and town had a pond. It was the water system. 50 years ago, there was twice as many ponds as there is today. It was before reservoirs. Now we have state and county run reservoirs. But 50 years ago, twice as many ponds as there was today. Shallow ponds have sandy bottoms, and deep ponds have muddy bottoms. I can tell you some interesting about the different producers in this pond. That plants such as water lily, duckweed, grasses, and algae form from the base of the pond, the food chain. They're all part of the food chain. That is because they are the producers, which they make their own food. The producers, they harness the energy of sunlight and convert it into sugar through the process of photosynthesis. And there's a lot of photosynthesis going on in this pond here. The photosynthesis is lots of abundant sunlight. Temperature in the ponds vary seasonally based on the weather, the air masses around it. So during the summer, the pond's temperature warms up, and during the winter, of course, it drops below zero and turns to ice. It is absolutely beautiful tonight sitting out here observing this. Well, quickly I can tell you that the ecosystem, the fish nibble on the plant life and everything else, including the algae. Then different microorganisms colonize on the rocks, the gravel, the pond. All this gets broken down and absorbed by the nutrients of the plant. So it is a complete eco-circle. It is absolutely beautiful tonight. And you can see the birds, the ducks, and many different other parts of this beautiful ecosystem here in Ridgewood, New Jersey. This summer, try to get out and enjoy an evening, a day. There are many ponds. It's actually one in Garfield, New Jersey. Sit there, relax, meditate, breathe in and breathe out, and enjoy your summer.